All right, guys. So first section of trading related questions. We're going to talk about funding companies, prop firms. It's a hot topic. How often do we talk about this, Riley, with people in our group?
Often.
Like multiple times a week. We have someone asking, should I start with FTMO? How do I get started with FTMO? How do I pass the FTMO challenge? Is FTMO the right company? The first question we're going to start with is FTMO the best way to get started as a trader? My answer when I hear that question is going to be no. Only because, and this isn't a knock to FTMO, and I don't endorse them in any way. I don't actually know anyone that's gotten paid out by them. I haven't seen it. People tell me that they have. I haven't seen it with my own eyes, so take that for what it is. But is it the best way to get started with your trading? Probably not. I like to tell people to take a 3-step approach to trading, and it doesn't include FTMO. It can be your 4th or 5th step, but the 3 steps I always would recommend are get educated, demo trade, and then go in with live money. If you can't make money consistently on a demo account, you're not going to pass the FTMO challenge. There's no point in you even trying with FTMO. If you can't make money consistently on a demo account, it's also probably because you don't have a trading system. So to solve both of these problems and get you to FTMO, I think step 1 is education, whether it's with me or with another coach that can actually show you a profitable system. There aren't many of us out there, but I do want to hope there's somebody else out there doing what we do. That's the first step for everybody. Second step would be demo trade. Learn how to actually make that system make money for you. And then if you can do that, then FTMO is a great option. If they actually pay you out, which they say that they do, then it could be a great option, especially if you don't have 50K or 100K like some of us did to start trading. So is it a great place to get started? No. But could it be, like I said, step 4, step 5 for you? Absolutely. Next question. In your course, do you give a plan that you can follow to pass the FTMO challenge? No, we don't give a plan, but we do have 5, maybe 10 traders in our group who are funded with them and are trading their capital using ASFX systems. So it's not like I say, hey, go do this and follow this to pass the FTMO challenge. That isn't what we do. Like I said, I don't endorse FTMO, but if you apply our systems to the FTMO challenge, Dane, one of our guys who just got funded like 2 weeks ago, he just texted us. He said he's up 4.7% on his funded account with them in the first week. He just got funded a couple weeks ago. So you can apply the systems that we teach to your FTMO trading, the challenge that you take with them, the trading you do there, and you can pass the challenge. Many people have done that. So next question, would you accept money from others in exchange for a piece of the profits? A question that that house is massive. A question that I've been asked often, right? Would I start a fund? Would I hire traders and we would all trade it together? How would I do it? Right now, it isn't on the table for me and Riley. Right now, we're building ASFX still. I think there's still more market cap for us to go grab in the education space, getting people started trading the right way. As time goes on and more people offer money to us to trade, eventually I think it's going to be something that happens where I take our money or a piece of our money and others, we group that together as a fund or as a private management company. I'm not exactly sure. Got to talk to some lawyers. But then we could go in and trade that for clients. But if I do it and when I do it, I'll tell you guys about it. I'll talk to you about it. But I'm never going to be the guy that comes on here and like saying, I'm taking money from any random person. If I do that, it's going to be my money and people that I know, investors that I know. It's crazy because with how available money is today, if you know the right people, they'll throw it at you without even showing them a track record. I've had guys that the first time they met me, without even asking to see my track record, they're willing to give us money. So in due time, I think it's going to be something that we do. But again, I don't think it's going to be for everybody. That kind of thing, if you're growing into the millions, you got to keep it small. I don't think you need to be putting your business out there like that, especially at that scale. You know, when you're going to tens and hundreds of millions, it's just not the same wave. So that sums it up for our funded trader section. Let's move into the next group of questions.